Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you on how to draw an eye. Before we start, let's have a random shout out. Shout out to Layla Rafael, to Jayan, and Bobby Mashchi TV. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I always make a shout out. So if you want to be mentioned, just click that subscribe button and make a comment. Now, let's start with the tutorial. First, make a cross. This will guide you to draw the eye. If you want a straight line, you can use a ruler. Then draw a circle. You can use a coin to trace or you can use a template. Second, make an outline. Let's start by drawing the pupil. Next, the iris. Make sure that your outline is easy to erase. You can use HB pencil or any common pencil. Then, draw a line a little lower from the center and another from the top. Then, draw a diagonal line. Then, draw a line from the lower iris. Make it a little curvy. Then, draw another diagonal line from the right. Then, refine your lines. Next, make a crease or a curved line from the upper part and make another curved line from the lower part of the eye. Now, erase the cross. We only now have the outline. Draw this shape. Then, fill up the pupil. I'm using 7B graphite pencil. You can use any grade B pencil like 8B, 10B, or 12B. Make sure that the outline of your iris is a perfect circle so that it will look like a real eye. You can use a template to create a perfect circle, or you can practice drawing circles before you start to draw. Now, let's fill up the iris using the same grade of pencil, which is 7B. You can get a reference photo from the internet. Just convert it into black and white if you are going to draw using a graphite pencil. As you can observe, I am making a light shade. Then, I am going to blend it using the blending stump. Make sure to avoid the little shape that we made near the pupil. It's for the highlight of the eye. Then, use an eraser to create a bigger highlight for the eye. Then, use a lower grade of pencil. Here, I am using 4B to create details for the eye. Then, erase again to create some effects. Note: draw, blend, erase, repeat. This process will help you to improve your drawing. I'm now adding some details for the iris. I'm erasing some details to create a midzone. Let's now add some shadows in the sclera. This is important to create a more realistic eye drawing. So by doing this, make sure to add more shadows at the upper part of the sclera. Again, use a blending stump to smudge the shadows. Blend it until you create a smooth texture. You can blend the pupil in the sclera like this. Make sure that the sclera is a little grayish. Now, use 2B pencil to make an outline for the sclera. Add some details in the eye. Avoid making dark outline of the full eye. Make it something like this. The lower part is a little lighter than the rest of the outline. Now, I am making a crease using the same pencil that I used in making the outline of the eye. You can also use the same pencil to create some shadows as long as you are not putting too much force, because if you put too much force, you will create a dent in your paper. Now, I'm smudging the pencil. You can try this. Draw, blend, repeat. This is a great way to create a smooth texture. If you have a dirty blending stump, you can clean it by erasing the tip. Some suggest that you can use a cutter to clean or to scrape off the skin of the blending stump, but I prefer using the eraser to clean the blending stump. Now, I am making a dark outline of the crease. It's okay to make a dark outline as long as you are going to use a blending stump to blend it. Because by using the blending stump, the dark outline will become a lighter outline, since the pencil of the dark outline will be smudged off. Now, I am making some shadows on the lower part. And also, I'm trying to smoothen out the texture by using the cleaner end of the blending stump. Again, draw, blend, repeat. Do this until you are satisfied with the result. Fifth, draw the eyelashes. Draw the eyelashes like a letter C, but you have to start from the bottom to make a letter C. Do this like you are checking. This will create a lighter tip. Make sure to have a sharp pencil in order to create a fine eyelashes. As you can observe, I am making a darker eyelashes. In making an eyelashes, make sure to have a different directions, like to the left or to the right, in order to create a natural look. In this part, it looks like I'm making a mascara in order to create more darker value of the eyelashes. I am adding darker values on some parts and adding some shadows. Then I am blending the eyelashes to the eyelid. I'm doing this to create a more natural look. Again, draw, blend, repeat. Now, I am using a sharper pencil to create a finer eyelashes.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated. And if you have any questions, just comment and I will answer it. And if this video helped you, please click the like button and share it to your families and friends.
After making the eyelashes at the top, now start doing some eyelashes at the bottom. Use a sharper pencil to create a finer look. Draw it in a little curvy in order to create a more natural look. I'm making dark eyelashes from the right to the middle. Then, refine some details. By the way, I have social media accounts. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I also have Facebook page, MRFML's Art. The links are in the description box, so check it out and follow me. And also about the giveaway, stay tuned and I will announce it later. I'm blending again to remove the harsh lines. Then I'm erasing to create some highlights and to lessen the grayish part. Now I'm using the blending stump to refine those shadows. I'm adding dark shadows at the lower part of the eyelashes. I'm adding more shadows in the eyelid. As you notice, there's a light part in the eyelid. That's where the light touches the skin. That is why that is the lightest part of the eyelid. Now I am adding more shadows at the lower part of the eye.
When adding light tone, mid-tone, and dark tone, look at your reference. Make sure to put those tones in the right places. As you can observe, there is a white part in the eye that is called conjunctiva. That part should be left white or a little grayish. If you have any questions, just comment and I will answer it. 7th, add highlights. Adding highlights is very important because it's one of the key to achieve realistic drawing. Now, I'm using eraser to create some skin-like texture. After erasing, use the blending stump again to smoothen the texture. 8th, add details in the sclera. Add some little veins in the eye. Then, use blending stump to smoothen the harsh lines. And to finish it out, erase some parts. Now, we're finished. Thank you so much for watching. Now I have an announcement for the giveaway.
I almost have 100 subscribers, and as I promised, I will have a giveaway. And for the prizes, I'm not yet sure, but you can help me out by suggesting what will be the prize. So I have 3 suggested prizes. The first is 12 pieces of pencil set and 6 pieces of blending stumps. There will be 3 winners for that. And my second option is
26 pieces sketching set including 12 sketching pencils and other sketching set. There will be only 1 winner for this. And my last suggestion is 29 pieces sketching set. There will be only 1 winner for this. So help me out guys and comment your chosen prize. Thank you so much.